What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video guys, I have a set of news that is really important for MMTLP shareholders, and I have to say that I'm confused. I'm confused about this news, and in a minute I will explain you what I'm talking about. And before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm and drop me a line in the comment section if you think my videos are valuable for the community. So let's start with the news itself. We have several updates from NextBridge Hydrocarbons. They made interesting and quite important statements and they filed it with SEC. First of all, let me pay your attention to this one. NextBridge expands with new purchases. NextBridge sent out a notification that they expanded their drilling prospects. A purchase of 4 drilling prospects from Wildcast SPV expands their operations in Louisiana. Other sales and financial details were disclosed in the press release. And here's the direct speech of Greg McCabe. While the Orogrande asset is still our primary focus, I have made the decision with the full board support to expand into what we deem to be world-class exploration prospects. I am truly excited about these new efforts moving forward. And guys, if you click on this link, you can see this press release, and let me quote to this. NextBridge has purchased portions of 4 drilling prospects from Wildcat SPV in exchange for 2.5 million shares of NextBridge common stock. Here is the names of these prospects and the location in Louisiana. And let me quote you further. The company is pleased to announce it has already sold its ownership in both the Valentine and partner prospects to an undisclosed party for net revenue of $1.093 million. Additionally, NextBridge will receive $240,000 spot fee on the first well of the Valentine and an $80,000 spot fee on the partner, while retaining its proportionate share of all associated deep rights below 19,500 in the Valentine's prospect. So guys, definitely this is a delusional process because they issued 2.5 million shares on top of the existing shares, and it is not the best sign. At the same time, they already sold some of these properties for more than $1 million, and it is some kind of cash out process. They just had to have some cash on hands in order to operate. And guys, I want to pay attention to couple of facts. First of all, this type of sales happens with the assistance of audit firms, and definitely if something is bought for some number of shares, these shares should have value, and this is the positive side. And the most confusing part is right here. They already sold some of these prospects, some of this ownership to undisclosed party. And why didn't they disclose it? I don't know. And this is the main question. The second question is right here. They bought it from Wildcat SPV. And let me show you what is this company about. If you take a look on John Brda's Twitter account, you can see this explanation. Managing projects that have potential to be unicorns one day. Completed multiple SPVs in leading organizations. Next venture, Wildcat Partners SPV. So, does it mean that John Brda sold some of his properties from the company that he has some relationships? And why in the world they didn't disclose the buyer? This is the most confusing part, guys, in my opinion. On top of that, definitely we have to know the financial statement, the financial condition of NextBridge Hydrocarbons for now. Because as a shareholders, we want to know its next move, we want to know their next step, and we were anticipating their earnings report, but unfortunately we have another press release. Let me show you this. This is the tweet that was written by Junk Savvy, and she wrote, NextBridge Hydrocarbons files SEC Form 12B-25, notification of late filing regarding annual report. And here's the direct speech from this report. The subject: annual report, semi-annual report, transition report on Form 10K, Form 20F, Form 11K, Form NSAR, or Form NCSR, or portion thereof, will be filed on or before the 15th calendar day following the prescribed due date. So they postponed this report by 15 days, and here's the reason why they did it. This is the official sec.gov website, and here's this letter 12B-25. And here's the reason. As previously disclosed in its current report on Form 8K dated February 15, 2024, the registrant appointed a new independent registered public accounting firm on February 10, 2024. Because of the recency of this appointment, the registrant has not had sufficient time to complete its Form 10K for the year ended December 31, 2023, and will be unable to timely file the Form 10K without unreasonable effort and expense. So, it is what it is. For now, at least we know what is happening with this company and why did they postpone this earnings report. On top of that, guys, I have to say that we still have a lot of hurricanes inside our community. And let me show you this tweet. One of these parties is definitely Mark Basil, and he wrote this several hours ago. For now, his counterparty is Meta guy Murdoch, and Mark Basil wrote, "Here's my response to Murdoch's deleted tweet." And Murdoch wrote, "I mean, Mark is saying things that contradict what is being said by the party mentioned. I don't know why he lies about dump shit, but I'm thankful that he does. I'm not going to argue about it. He's predatory bully. I stand with shareholders." And here's the Mark Basil's response. That's actually funny, because I know the report, quote-unquote, report was concluded and given to Meta months ago. I don't represent Meta, so I can talk about it. But Wes unlikely cannot. A lot of money was paid for that report, and they are sitting on it. Not sure what it says, but there is a lot of data in it. Maybe useful, maybe not. Maybe that's why nothing has been filed. Remember, even fraud has sole periods, usually running from the date it's discovered. Everyone tries to discredit me, but always end up with egg on their face. In my opinion, Wes was told to stand down and not file anything. If that wasn't the case, he would. I'm pretty sure he wants to too. But you aren't going to pit me against Wes. It is what it is. Do you have a better explanation? And guys, there is a lot of rumors that Wes Christian stepped down from the work with metamaterials. And let me show you the screenshot that was attached to this Meta Guys Murdoch tweet. Here you can see the screenshot of the letter that was sent by Wes Christian to someone who blacked out his name and email. And here's the letter itself. Pursuing it and hopefully lose to being able to do something. This is the direct speech from Wes Christian. And definitely this letter leads to much more questions to Wes Christian. Why he's still silent? Does he work for metamaterials, and how this case might affect MMTLP shareholders? But at the same time, guys, let me show you this screenshot of the letter that was written again by Wes Christian. And the question was, good morning, Wes. There are rumors circulating on X that Meta has asked you to step down from further actions in this spoofing case. I hope you can answer. Is this true? And Wes Christian wrote, absolute crap and a lie. So, definitely it is a good news. And we know for sure that Wes Christian is still working for MMAT in order to find out the solution of our major case. On top of that, guys, let me show you that Mark also wrote this 11 hours ago in response to his own tweet. I bet you, George Polychoros, can confirm they had this report from months and they are just sitting on it. Go ahead, ask him. And George Palikors wrote this. Thank you, Mark. While I was still at the board in Q4, the company did receive a draft report. I'm guessing by now it's finalized. One of the challenges in these cases is to be able to have enough money available or to secure it via sponsor. This funding is needed so that an issuer can finance the legal key next steps such as filing a lawsuit or multiple against a bad actor or multiple that such report findings reveal. There should be no reason why MMAT would sit on it. There should be no reason why they would not be able to find a good sponsor. Worst case, I'm sure MMAT and NextBridge/MMTLP investors would fund such case and share the upside if asked. Looking at Wes's impeccable track record, it would be a slam dunk, which is one of the reasons I introduced him to our board over a year ago. I know you have successfully worked together on cases. Please ask me what is in the report. Hoping we will get our answers in the MMAT investor call on April the 3rd by the management. Hope this helps. So guys, for now I'm very confused about all this information. I don't know what are they talking about. What does this report mean? What should this report lead to? And how it might affect the MMTLP case. If you have some information about this issue, if you have some information about the report, or if you know something that might be important for MMTLP community, please share it in the comment section or write me a letter. You also can find my email on my YouTube channel. On top of that, guys, please explain me. What does this purchase mean? Because I don't know why John Brda didn't say anything about this purchase, despite that one of the counterparties is Wildcat SPV, and John Brda is a part of this company. And why did they sell some of these properties, and what will be with the rest of these properties? So this video asks a lot of questions, and guys, unfortunately I don't have answers on them. But definitely we have to move forward and we have to find it out, and I think our community will do it. And guys, let me tell you my personal story. I have a wife and 2 children aged 11 and 15, as well as a small dog. After 30 years of living in Russia near the Baikal Lake, we decided to move. Now we reside in Serbia. Although I don't own any MMTLP shares, I invest a lot of time creating daily MMTLP videos. I have been doing this every day without days off and holidays for more than 1.5 years. Now I wish to buy back this time from my family, from my children. We've agreed that I will ask the MMTLP community to support me, and I will give all the money to the children. Therefore, if you believe that I am providing useful content for you and wish to support me, you can join my Patreon account. For $5 a month, I will add your name to my list of supporters if you wish. Thank you in advance. The link you can find in the description below. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap, only got one